welcome back to my YouTube channel.
It's Kay's Kitchen 07 on YouTube. I'm Samira. If you don't know from the last like 2 or 3 videos, I don't know.
I don't know what you've been doing there basically.
Oh, it might be because I look a bit different because I put makeup on today.
Glamorous
Hello.
assistant.
Not so glamorous assistant, but she
She
made
is.
me.
She's
Apparently my face
beautiful,
wasn't good
mashallah.
enough.
No, she's beautiful, mashallah.
Those are Zakir's words. You can't use those words.
Exactly. No, welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. Make the best quick possible meals for you, your family and your friends. So I hope you guys enjoy the last few videos. We are also going to try and do some vlogs together.
We are.
We try and work around each other's schedules. Sam here, she studies, and obviously I'm a full-time mom, so we try and work together.
I also work. I'm not just a student.
And work, sorry, yes.
Just
get
put
that in.
that.
Yes, sorry about that, love. She works as well. So yeah, we are hopefully going to do some fun vlogs at different restaurants, different eating places. So today, guys, I'll be showing you how to make really lovely aloo tikki. So this is the kind of one that you can make and put it in a burger. So you can have an aloo tikki burger. You can add it to a chaat. You can even freeze it. I know Ramadan is coming up, so that's another idea.
You know
for
what?
Ramadan.
You say Aloo Tikki burger, and you know what? When I was in Dubai, my mum actually had one of those because
An aloo tikki
McDonald's
burger is
McDonald's
really
in
nice.
Dubai does an Aloo Tikki burger.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's weird.
See, you got children and you want to, not do the cheese sandwiches and stuff like that. So you can always stick one of those in, make a wrap for them, or put it in a burger. They can have it cold. You guys can, if you wish, if you're going on a healthy vibe, you can just give it a quick coat of olive oil and stick it even in the oven.
Wait.
I'm going to go off into the kitchen. I'm going to show you how the aloo tikki is made. And just follow the recipe, and obviously I'm going to come back out. I'm going to taste the food this time.
Ooh, are we tasting together?
We're tasting together. We're going to do the ums and the ahs while we are tasting it.
Okay.
And then, yeah, I'll show you guys how it's made and then share that with you. So see you back shortly.
Here are all the ingredients that we need. All the measurements will be down below in the description box, so definitely check that out, guys. Firstly, we will need some peeled potatoes. Make sure they are boiled and they're nice and soft. We have some rice flour, some corn starch flour, medium sized onion chopped, some coriander, and these are the measurement cups, guys, you can use here. So you will see below that is 1/3 of the flour we need, and this is equivalent to a tablespoon, but of course you can use a normal tablespoon. You have here some green chillies, some salt, you have coriander powder, you also have some cumin seeds, a bit of haldi, a bit of mango powder, some chili powder, and that's what you need. So to start off with, all the ingredients can go straight into the bowl. The best thing about this, and I love easy recipes, is when you throw everything in. So if you get an empty bowl, nice clean empty bowl, you can empty in your flours. So we are using rice flour and corn starch flour. There's no eggs involved in this. So even people that are vegan or just vegetarians, don't eat any kind of meat or eggs, this is a perfect recipe. So we are adding the onions, and the potato. So with the potato, you're just going to grab it, squeeze it in, crush it so it falls into the dry mixture. So just make it a bit more easy for you rather than throwing it in while it's still quite a potato size, and mixing all the ingredients in whilst it's all nice and crushed will be easier. Okay, so now we can start adding the rest of the dry ingredients. A bit of chili powder and all the other lovely flavors. You will smell the aroma from this and it's just absolutely amazing. It really reminded me of chaat, so hope you guys try this out at home. If you do, remember to comment down below. Some salt. That's the last of it, the green chilies. And of course the lovely coriander. So now what we can do is start mixing it all up. So give it a good squeeze, don't be shy about it. Get all the mixtures mixed. Remember guys, you can even taste this, because it's just potato. You can taste it once it's mixed. If you feel like it needs a bit more salt, a bit more chili, you want a bit more of a kick to it, go for it, add what you like to it. I'm just showing you, of course, what we eat at home here, the flavors we like. So now it's all been mixed, this is how it should look. It's nice and firm in the bowl, so this will give us a nice shape. In a separate bowl you have a bit of water, got a little baking tray, pasta dish actually I'm using. It's just really nice to put stuff in there, it doesn't stick. So I'm going to show you two different sizes. The first one will be a small size, and you just wet your hands, grab a bit of potato, turn it into a round ball, and just apply a little bit of pressure on top with your palm. You don't want to flatten it too much, you want a bit of depth to it. So using some water, I'm just going to basically roll the aloo tikki in my hand to smooth the edges off, and it's around 2 inches. So this is a really cute small one, bite size. Next one I'm going to show you is like the bigger size. So you can see the preferences here, whether you want a small or a big one. And this will be slightly bigger. Again, remember to always wet your hands so it doesn't stick. All you need is simple water, and again apply a bit of pressure. You see how big that is? That's a pretty big one. A little bit of pressure, there you go. It's about half an inch in width, in the thickness of the aloo tikki. So I'm just rolling it again to smooth the edges off so it looks nice. And I will show it to the camera how big this one is. You'll see the difference. There you go. So on a high heat, make sure the oil is hot. This is shallow frying guys, you don't need to fill the pan up with lots of oil. I'm using sunflower oil. It's a lot more better to use this for frying than vegetable oil. Vegetable oil is quite heavy, and as you can see here, I've placed 3 aloo tikkis. All you need is a few minutes on each side because your potato is boiled, everything is pretty much cooked. All you've done is add flavour to the potato, so it doesn't need to be in there for that long. We don't have any egg in this, but you will see the beautiful colour that comes out. It's like a nice golden brown, and you will even hear like the crispiness of the aloo tikki from the outside. Is really tasty, looks amazing as well. All it needs is literally a couple of minutes on each side just to get it all nice and brown and crispy. Just keep an eye on it, make sure it doesn't burn. So you can see that's got a beautiful colour on there. That's what we are looking for, that's what we want. But that's ready. It's quick as that. I'm taking that out. It's ready to be dished out. Wow, looks amazing. I love green chutney, so maybe green chutney would go nice with this, guys, if you're fond of it. Otherwise, use whatever sauce you want. Here we are, guys, look at that. It's so nice. So it's perfectly shaped, nice edges, rounded off edges. Beautiful colour to it. And I'm going to open up for you guys and you will see, look at that, nice and hot, ready to eat. Crispy from the outside, soft from the inside.
So here we are, guys. I brought in the plate of aloo tikki, and Samira and me are going to taste it. I'm going to do it under my scarf, obviously.
Okay, here it is, guys. I'm going to turn it back round because I'm scared that they're going to fall out.
But we could just pick one, as I was showing you before, when I finished recording. This is how they are. So they're nice and crispy from the outside. You can taste it now.
Very hot.
I can imagine like a jaunt with this.
That's what it tastes. It
Quite
tastes
nicely.
a bit jardy as well.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
And it's nice because it's like not overly spicy and hot. So
But you can like smell and taste the masala in it as well.
everything in it, yeah. Yeah, you can.
Mhm.
Even the onions and the coriander, it comes through quite nicely on this. So I think it's a great idea for kids at school, you know, lunch boxes, just make it a bit more exciting.
But it's like a little healthy snack almost.
It is, yeah. Seriously, in a recording, your phone's going off.
I can't help it, I'm sorry.
I'll be back in a second. So guys, this is without the egg. I wanted to do something different and not the usual, if that makes sense.
It's all vegan.
It's all vegan, and I love the colour on this. It's still quite nice golden brown without the egg. You can shallow fry this. This is not a deep fry at all. But yeah, lunchbox ideas, Ramadan ideas. You can freeze this and of course use it later. You can even oven this, or you can use it in a jar. So there's quite a few things you could do with this aloo tikki. But overall, I hope you guys have enjoyed watching me make this.
I hope you've enjoyed watching me eat it too. So I've just demolished the whole thing.
Obviously. But yeah, guys, if you do like what I have shown you today, definitely click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel by clicking the bell button, and that also will give you a notification of whenever I upload any videos. Of course, you can always check out my Instagram, which is kskitchen07, and inshallah soon I'll give you details of Snapchats where we can record our snaps, or when we're just out and about. Probably won't even be like, ugh.
She's lost her words again.
Thank you guys for watching, and
We'll see you again soon.
we'll see you again soon, inshallah. Bye.
Bye.